Ethiopia is a major global producer of coffee and a significant exporter of agricultural products. The country's diverse agroecological zones support a wide range of crops, including coffee, cereals like teff and wheat, pulses, oilseeds, and vegetables. The vast majority of agricultural production in Ethiopia is carried out by small-scale farmers using traditional farming methods and rain-fed agriculture. Here in Gardabusa Village, Hitosa District in Oromia Region, a number of farmers have embraced agroecology. One of these is Denye Garma, who is practicing mixed farming.
He started at home, then when he observed that it works well, he expanded into this. He planted coffee, banana, avocado, mango, and so on.
For him to start, he was inspired by a retired teacher in the area where they visited under the farmers' learning groups, and he liked what he saw, as the group leader, Behailu Nigusi, explains.
Who has about 640 meter square house, building, plus chicken, plus nursery, plus biogas, plus a lot of varieties, and then discuss that we have to adopt that kind of approach to their farms. That is how they started.
He adds that this was poor soil, which has now improved to becoming one of the best.
This was a third grade soil. The farm is very poor. It was poor by adding manure, compost, and so on. Now it is upgraded into the first level.
At his home, Behailu is practicing what he preaches, using agroecological practices to grow different crops and also harvesting water. Livestock rearing is also important, with a significant number of nomadic or semi-nomadic herders relying on livestock for their livelihoods. With weather vagaries due to climate change, livestock farmers here stock hay in a unique format to help them feed their animals during the dry season.
This is animal feed from this is from teff straw, this is from wheat, and then after threshing, this is a reserve as animal feed.
Pelam Ethiopia is pushing new farming methods such as agroecology to increase yields while reducing environmental impacts. Pelam's country coordinator in Ethiopia, Dr. Hailu Araya, notes that farmers have been organized into learning groups which are helping them share knowledge and best practices.
Our 90% of our seed supply is a local seed system. It's only less than 10% the improved seed supply system.
One of the challenges Dr. Hailu notes is the gap between scientists and farmers and lack of appropriate and affordable technologies for the farmers.
So we have to work with the farmers to ensure that production is sustained for us to be able to ensure that the demand for these goods is readily available.
And the big problem is the recognition of agroecology as an adaptation mechanism is still struggling. As AFSA, we believe that agroecology is the best method for adaptation and the best way of life for adaptation.
With proper policies, stakeholders believe that this approach will spread across Africa and ensure not only increased food production, but also conservation of the environment. I'm Benjamin Jumbe, NTV Weekend Edition.